Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to advertise your business on the Threads app. Threads do not have official yet ads it, but you can still use it to promote your brand and reach new customers for free. Set your profile picture with a clear bio of what your business does. Let's say go to edit bio and write a bio. Let's say your business is about a clothing brand, so write quality products. Let's say you can write anything you want, or you can just do something like this, or you can also ask your AI apps, and then add your link or your website or shop. First impressions matter. Instead of hard selling, share tips behind the screens, memes, or quick stories related to your niche. People will follow accounts that add value, not just ads. Since Thread is tied to Instagram, turn on crossing posts so your Threads content also show up on your Instagram stories, which I have made a different video on crossing posts, so check that video out also. Instagram, so this doubles your reach instantly. Now reply to trending posts, answer questions, and jump into conversations with your niche. This builds awareness without paying for ads. Run fun polls, drop discount codes, or share product launches in a casual conversation style. And safety tip: don't spam links. Too many promotional posts can make people unfollow. Balance promos with helpful or entertaining content. Quick fix: if growth is slow, analyze your post insights with switch to professional account to see what content drives flows, then double down that size, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.